Welcome to the Eat Every Slice podcast. The show where we talk all things pizza, classic, creative, and sometimes a little crazy. I'm Zach, and today, we're diving into a recipe that's tangy, cheesy, and downright irresistible, pickle pizza. Whether you're a pickle fanatic or just love trying something new, this one's for you. Who is this recipe for? Honestly, anyone who loves pizza and isn't afraid to step out of the traditional pepperoni box. Pickle lovers, food experimenters, and anyone hosting a party or game night, this is your next big hit. So, what exactly is pickle pizza? It's a savory pizza topped with a creamy garlic or ranch base, loads of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese, and, of course, dill pickles. The flavors are bold, tangy, and totally unique. Where can you make this? Right in your kitchen. No fancy equipment needed. A basic oven and a pizza stone or baking sheet will do the job perfectly. When should you make pickle pizza? Anytime. It's great for pizza night, a quirky appetizer for parties, or even a casual lunch. Plus, it's so simple that you can whip it up whenever the craving strikes. Why should you try it? Because it's a flavor bomb. The creamy sauce balances the tangy pickles, and the melty cheese ties everything together. It's the perfect mix of comfort food and adventurous eating. Alright, let's talk about how to make it. Here's what you'll do. Start with your crust, store-bought or homemade. Spread the sauce, go for creamy ranch or garlic sauce. It's the base for all that flavor. Add the cheese, mozzarella and Parmesan are the stars here. Top with pickles, thinly slice those dill pickles and layer them on evenly. Bake it, 12 to 15 minutes at 475 degrees Fahrenheit, until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Garnish and serve, fresh dill is the perfect finishing touch. Slice it up and enjoy. It's that easy, and trust me, the flavor will blow your mind. That's all for today's episode of the Eat Every Slice podcast. If you try pickle pizza, we want to hear about it. Share your creations on social media and tag us. Let's spread the word about this tangy treat. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you never miss an episode. And hey, if you love this one, share it with your pizza-loving friends. We're here to celebrate all things pizza, one slice at a time. Until next time, keep experimenting and eat every slice.